How to empty a list. It seems so dirty emptying a list in this way. Does a clear way exist to do that?
This actually removes the contents from the list, but doesn't replace the old label with a new empty list. Here's an example. For the sake of completeness, the slice assignment has the same effect. It can also be used to shrink a part of the list while replacing a part at the same time, but that is out of the scope of the question. Note that doing lsd equals does not empty the list, just creates a new object and binds it to the variable lsd, but the old list will still have the same elements, and effect will be apparent if it had other variable bindings.
If you're running Python 3.3 or better, you can use the clear method of list, which is parallel to clear of dict, set, dec and other mutable container types. As per the linked documentation page, the same can also be achieved with list equals 0. To sum up, there are 4 equivalent ways to clear a list in place, quite contrary to the Zen of Python.
You could try. Which means, slice in the list, 0 elements, at the location, column, all indexes from start to finish. The is the slice operator. See this question for more information.
It turns out that with Python 2.5.2, del lcolumn is slightly slower than lcolumn, equals, by 1.1 USEC.